1,800 watts to each sub. I actually need 2 more amps. So I can triple.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man?
What's going on? How you doing?
Having fun? Yeah, man. Demos.
Yes, sir. It's going all day.
I like that. Looks good.
Thank you. I got a charging line right now, but yeah.
It's all good. Could you tell me real quick your name and what's in here?
Joshua Harrison. I have 3 DB415s
Okay.
and a 6th order C-pillar wall.
Okay. Did you build this?
I did.
Nice. And it's sealed off. You can tell you did good.
Ish. The roof still moves so much, I'm peeling it away.
Very unique.
Thank you.
So
I wanted to do something a little
I
different.
haven't seen something like that. What made you do that kind of you did? Is it a 3-sub
This
system?
box was actually built for 2 SSA Evils, and
Okay.
they like a bigger box. The DB's like
okay.
smaller boxes.
Yes, sir.
So when we calculated it out, I found out that it just needed 3.
Yep. Wow. Looks good.
Thank you.
Have you? What is your tunings on it?
Low tune is 28, high tune is 53.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm only clamping like 1,800 watts to each sub. I actually need 2 more amps so I can triple the power because I have 4. I just need 2 more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And you got your back seats?
Yeah, that was a big thing for me. This is why the wall is angled the way it is.
Okay.
So that the seat belts are actually still usable.
You got more space, but you use the corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Awesome.
I'm tripping in the highway. I'm the whip in the valley. I'm the club with a few. To the party too. Tree. I can roll up on the beach. On the street shit. I leave with a pound of weed underneath my head. I don't mind it with Spanish. I said, damn it, this is too big. But like, got the pesos, knock for the order. To the border, good thing I don't go a long way. We're tripping in the hallway. I'm not the whip in the valley. I'm the club with a few. To the party too. But you don't ever tell me you know it. I wanna keep tree. I can roll up on the beach. Get on the street shit. Get my body on a pot of leaves with a pound of weed underneath my head. I don't mind it with Spanish. I said, damn it, this is too big. But like, got the pesos, knock for the order. To the border. Good thing I don't care none less than a dog, cause I can be reaching for quarters. You read one. To the border. Good thing I don't care none less than a dog, cause I can be reaching for quarters. You reaching for something on me and then somebody go out to speak to reporters.
It likes that lower note. What is that frequency? It's doing really well on the low end.
I don't know. I play regular music.
Regular music?
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
even play rebase very much.
You know,
So.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Looks really good.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I like it. Yes, sir. And you got your back seats?
Yeah, that was a big thing for me. This is why the wall is angled the way it is.
Okay.
So that the seatbelts are actually still usable.
You got more space, but you use the corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Awesome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.